So in this video, I want to show you how to use the PromptGenius, the beta edition. So after you've downloaded it to your computer, it should look like this. And all you have to do is double click on it. And after you've double clicked on it, you can see the green H at the bottom here, right? Sometimes when you double click on it, the antivirus on your computer might be activated. So just bypass the antivirus. So it is now active. So now we're going to go to ChatGPT, the browser. Okay, so we're in ChatGPT. Now you have to press Control G. When you press Control G, you're going to see this interface, and here you have 30 different prompts. So you don't have to write the prompts. You can just select the prompts that you want, and it's gonna type all the prompts automatically for you, and it's gonna wait for I think 30 seconds or 40 seconds in between prompts to allow ChatGPT to type its answers. Now, really important, before you start, you have to describe your product, because ChatGPT has to have an understanding of your product, and you should be as detailed as possible. You don't have to be right in perfect English. Just describe your product. So I'm going to describe my product. Okay, so here's my product description. Now, this is pretty well written, but in your case, you don't have to write so well. You can just say, what your product is all about. So here I just wrote it has 10 modules. It's a video course. Each module has a 10-minute video, as well as PDF files, and the price is $100. It's important to mention the price, and it includes membership in a Facebook group where people can get feedback and they can learn faster. All the samples, resources, and additional videos will be available in the Facebook group as well. Here you don't have to describe your target market because it's kind of difficult for most people. So just focus on your product, which you should know, right? So after you've done this, just make sure that ChatGPT is functional, because sometimes it's down for whatever reason. You just write a question like understand. So after ChatGPT confirms that it is operational, then you can start to select the prompts. Now, after you select, I'm just going to try the first 3 prompts. After you select the prompts here, you have to make sure that you click here and you can see the blinking cursor. This is really important, because after you click on the button here, it's going to toggle to this window, right? So if you don't have the blinking cursor here, it might toggle to another window that you might have open. And by the way, when you're running PromptGenius, I really recommend that you just have the ChatGPT browser open, like close all your other software programs and all your other browsers to make sure that you're not gonna make a mistake. Okay, so the cursor is blinking and we have selected the first 3 prompts, and now all you have to do is click the button here. This is a joke, by the way, but it's actually accurate. You let it do the work, so you can see that it's typing, and that's it. It's typing, and now it's gonna wait, I don't know, maybe 30 seconds. But you don't mind that it's waiting for 30 seconds, because after you've clicked all the prompts here and you click the button, you just go to sleep or you walk away from your computer. And the reason why I'm giving a 30-second and sometimes 40-second interval is sometimes the answer from ChatGPT is quite long, right? So you don't want to interrupt what it's doing. Okay, so this is the second prompt here, the features, right? Write 10 features of the product. And sometimes it's gonna mention features that I never thought about, so it's good to ask for 10 features. You can ask for 20 features if you want, that's fine. So now it's gonna wait for a few seconds, I think up to 30 seconds, and then it's gonna ask ChatGPT about the benefits which correspond to these features, because a feature is like a fact, but the benefit is what sells. Okay, so here you have the benefits. So this is just a demo, but you can basically click on all of these. No, actually, I think only the first 3 are active, because this is a beta version. So if you can get the first 3 prompts typed here, it means that your computer can run PromptGenius. So just let me know, and I'm gonna give you the purchase link to buy the full version, so where the 30 prompts are activated. So you can just select the prompts that you need, and you click this button and you go to sleep, and by the time you wake up, ChatGPT will have answered your 30 prompts. All right, that's the demo video I had for you today. If you like it, please share it with your friends, your family, and I'll see you in the next video.